Good morning all. This is Primarex Limited, Hyderabad Unit 1 and 3, and this is our unit in Hyderabad. Today we are going to show you some of our finished products and undergoing products to show you. And this is our factory. The work is going on. This is our two drilling trucks which has been already finished. This is PDHR 800D which is already finished and ready to dispatch. Water drilling machines which is already completed. These two trucks are already two drilling machine trucks are already completed, and right now we are under the production of the tractor drilling machines. This is the product which is already completed. This is the tractor mounted drilling machine. This is a part of that machine. The full of the works has been completed on this product, and as you can see, the work has been completed and other works are undergoing. The crawler bonded drilling machine, which is the specifications of 50 meter capacity and 6 inches. It's completed. This is a hydraulic tank. This is the hydraulic tank of the machine. This is the cooler. If you can see, this is the cooler of the product. And we have 4 stabilizers. 2 is here and 2 here. As you can see, we have 4. This is our control panel of the machine. The place where you can control the works for the machine. This is the control panel. So this is the fully completed crawler mounted machine, 50 meter capacity and 6 inches. And we have the tractor for that product. This is the tractor of Sonalika Tiger D75. The work of this tractor has been 70% of work has been completed. Other products, the other work has been undergoing. Here you can see the production team. The work is being undergoing. And this is the basement of the tractor. And here we will put our drilling attachment here that's being on work. The work will be completed. The product will be completed on this Monday. And here in villa of the tractor that area will be the power connecting area of the tractor. So this is the tractor mounted drilling machine. This is the drilling thing which is undergoing for the work. And here is our new product, agricultural equipment in the cultivators. We have recently in stock of 550P at 850D. This is 850D. This is used for the indoor cultivators in farms or gardens. This is 1-man power operated machines. And this is the blades which is using for the machines. These two products are recently stocked in our factory. This is diesel 850D is the diesel controlled product. This is the petrol controlled product. Yeah, this is the blade of 850D. Total 2 products are available in our stock for agri-indoor cultivators. So, thank you guys for joining for the live. Take care. Have a good day to all. Thank you so much.